Hello my friends, welcome back to my new Bitcoin video. In today's video, I want to show you how to claim and stake NEWBTC in your back office, because in this platform we earn in two cryptos. We earn in FNBTC and we also earn in the NEWBTC. Now, when you earn the FNBTC, you can withdraw that instantly. Every 4 hours you can do that. You can mine and earn and claim every 4 hours. But when you earn the NEWBTC, you can claim it and stake it the same time in your back office. So let me show you how to stake your NEWBTC in your back office. So this is the NEWBTC window or dashboard. As you can see, I have already a claimable reward of NEWBTC 0.036. Okay, how do you earn these claimable rewards? You earn this claimable reward by mining. Okay, when you mine the NEWBTC, you will get paid the NEWBTC and you will get paid FNBTC, as you can see. So you get paid in two ways, as I mentioned before. Okay, but the FNBTC, this is the one that you can withdraw instantly after you have completed your 4 hours mining. Now, when you get rewarded with the NEWBTC after every 4 hours as well, this one you can claim and stake it. You won't be able to withdraw this one until after 100 months. Okay, but this FNBTC you can withdraw instantly every 4 hours. Even the NEWBTC you can claim and stake it every 4 hours, but I do not recommend you claim and stake your NEWBTC every 4 hours. Why is it that I am not recommending you do this every 4 hours? Because you get charged for B&B. Okay, they will take some charges from your B&B as part of the gas or transaction fees. So it is advisable, even though you get paid this NEWBTC every 4 hours, or you get rewarded every 4 hours after mining the crypto, you should allow every 24 hours to claim and stake so that you pay one-off transaction fees. But for you to mine the FNBTC and NEWBTC, you need to mine them every 4 hours. Remember, there is big difference between mining and claiming your rewards. Okay, so this video is going to show you how you are going to be able to claim and stake your BTC that you have been rewarded with. Okay, so how do you do this? You go to your staking tab. Okay, if you are using a mobile phone, because I'm recording this on the computer, but you can also do this on a mobile phone. So if you are using a mobile phone, look at the top right corner, you will see 3 lines. Okay, on your mobile phone, click on those 3 lines. It will take you to all of these dashboard menus. Okay, so when you are there, click on staking. When you click on staking, this staking dashboard will appear. When it appears, okay, you can click claim and stake, and that will now trigger your token pocket wallet or your trust wallet, any decentralized wallet you are using. It will trigger that wallet for you to enter your password and then click confirm, and then this money that you are looking at will be added to your total staked NEWBTC. So I'm going to click claim and stake, and then it's going to communicate with my token pocket wallet asking me to confirm. Okay, and then I'll click confirm, and then you will notice that it's processing on the blockchain, and then once it is done, it will say successful, and you will see that the value or the quantity of my NEWBTC has just increased, okay, from 2.03 to 2.06. And you will notice also that the value has increased to $238,000. Okay, so again, you will notice this is the one I just ticked. Okay, so 0.0360 is the one I just ticked, and that is the date, and that is when I am going to be able to unlock this particular one, and I will be able to claim it. So far today I have done 2 staking, okay, because I recorded a video on how to do this as well. So guys, how to claim and stake your new BTC, okay, in this platform. If you would like to join this platform with me, the link to do so is below this video description. I have done a video on how to get started, and I've written step-by-step instructions in the description below. So please follow those instructions or just watch my recorded video on how to get started, okay? And you will be forever grateful for starting early enough in this program. Thank you, and God bless.